Tulare County leads the Central Valley in COVID-19 cases and in deaths. About half of those cases originated from skilled nursing facilities. As our Kirsten Mitchell tells us, the health department announced a third care center has an outbreak.
The health department says 10 people have tested positive for COVID-19 at the Linwood Meadows Care Center in Visalia. They're owned by the Plum Corporation, which also owns the Redwood Springs Healthcare Center, where there is the biggest outbreak in the Central Valley.
I don't want to get that call to say we're heading to the hospital because she's having trouble breathing.
Susan Renteria's 83-year-old mother, Rhonda, has lived at the Linwood Meadows Care Center for 4 years, all of which she's enjoyed. She says her mom is immobile and high risk. That's why after finding out her home has an outbreak, she fears her mom could be next.
And she's laying there, and then all of a sudden, her temperature spikes. I don't know how long it takes from the time it gets bad.
Tulare County skilled nursing facilities have been hit hard. 3 different facilities have outbreaks, the largest at Redwood Springs, where 23 people have died, 114 residents, 60 staff, and 8 family members testing positive. At Lindsay Gardens, 38 residents, 14 staff, and 6 family members have been infected. 2 of the facilities are in County Supervisor KUYLER's district. As an elected official, what are you doing to help prevent these outbreaks from getting worse?
Luckily, and through, I think, outreaches like going to and discussing with your station, that we were able to get some of the attention of the state, and they did and have provided staffing for both of those sites.
He's called on an investigation into Plum Corporation, the owner of Redwood Springs and Linwood Meadows.
I think all of the Plum Group's sites in California need to be investigated, because we need to determine whether or not there's a culture of neglect and a culture of not utilizing proper protocols and procedures with a healthcare facility.
Susan just hopes her mom stays safe.
I don't really care how the virus got into Linwood, because it's already there. So that's already been done. But I want my mom tested, not take her temperature. I want her tested for the virus.
And lots of families that we've spoken to who have loved ones in these facilities really want them to be tested. Unfortunately, we're seeing that it's not all happening at once, and instead they're prioritizing based on who is most at risk. Reporting in Visalia, Kirsten Mitchell, KC24, local news that matters.